Chattels.
How to update your store details on your account on Chattels. From the homepage, go to your vendor dashboard. Scroll down on the side menu to Settings, hover on Settings, and a drop-down will be displayed. Select Store. This page will appear where you can update your store details. This is where you can change or make corrections to your store details, such as banner, profile picture, address, and so on. Updating your store details. The first thing to see is the banner. Upload a clear picture of your store's preferred banner. The recommended size is 625 by 300. Select and upload a clear and sharp profile picture of your store. The recommended size is 500 by 500. This is the area to make corrections or change the address you have entered during your account creation. Update your store phone number. Geo address. We've provided a Google Map tool to help you set your store's geolocation. You can search for your actual address and adjust the map accordingly. Ensure the location you select matches your store address, or in the case of those who are selling from home, you can select your home address or at least your street address without the house number so customers geo-filtering by location can discover your store. By default, the geo-address location is set to Ikeja, Lagos. It is important to update this to reflect your actual store location, as entered above. You can do this by dragging the location pin to the correct spot. If you're familiar with Google Maps, you may also zoom in and manually select your building. Please note, if the default location is not updated and the customer geo-filters products or stores closest to them or in your actual store area, your store will not appear in the result, as the system still recognizes your store's location as the default location. Store schedule. You can select how many days in a week you want your store to open and the duration. I will select Monday through Friday in this video and set the time. You can decide to set 2 time durations in a day by selecting Add Hours to an existing time duration. The purpose of this is that maybe you want to be open for about 3 hours in the morning to attend to something and come back online in the evening. In this case, I will set 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and add a new hour to open at 3 p.m. and close by 6:30 p.m. If you, however, want to always be open and available, you can decide to uncheck the open and close times. Vacation. If you know you won't be available to operate your store for an extended period, you can select this to set a vacation for your store. While your store is in vacation mode, your product won't be buyable, but customers can still see it and interact with it. There are 2 options with which you can put your store in vacation mode: instantly close and date-wise close. Instant close means you want your store to be closed immediately after you save the setting, and whenever you're back from your leave, you can come back here and uncheck the vacation to put your store back in the available mode. Date-wise close. This gives you the flexibility to choose the date range you'll be unavailable. Say, for example, you want to go on vacation on the 5th of July and will only be back on the 17th of July. You can set that date range here. You can type in your vacation message. For example, here is one. Here's how your store appears when you activate vacation mode. When customers come across your product on the website, the usual Add to Cart button will be replaced with a Read More button. Upon clicking the product, they will see your vacation message. This message will also be displayed on your store page, informing visitors that you are currently unavailable. Biography. Here you can write a story about you or your store and how it came about to further convince customers why they should buy from your store. The text editor is a tiny MCE text editor, and you can use it to format and stylize your text. When you're done with updating your store details, save them by clicking on this button.